Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I'm the wife to a Marine Corps veteran who is also a New York City boy. I'm the mother to 3 wonderful children, and we have a fur baby. Her name is Summer. She is a pit bull and beagle mix. On my channel, I show you so many different things. Yes, it's a variety channel. We garden over here so we can eat healthy. I'm a couponer so we can save money. I raise chickens now, so we can have some free eggs and different things like that. It's just so much to find over here. So I hope my channel motivate and inspire you in the different ways that I am showing things. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the video if it's God's will. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come and give y'all a garden update. I have been dealing with the quail and stuff, so I still got some things that I got to plant and everything like that, but I want to show y'all what's been going on in the garden. Just everything that's happening, and talk to y'all a little bit about I got a couple people that's new to the channel, and they've been saying, you know, you can grow your own food. They've been seeing my videos where we've been talking about the shortages and starvation and stuff like that, and they've been like, I think it's people that's just coming through, passing by, seeing the video and not checking out the channel. And I'm like, wait, I do this on my channel. I do this is what I do. Okay, so y'all, let me just go ahead and show y'all, and we'll talk a little bit more. So let's go ahead and start over here. Okay, so these are the rest of my tomato cages. I still have to put on the peppers. I still got to get those buckets right there filled and put out in the garden, because I am utilizing and growing and everything. So right here is my pepper plants. Little peppers are coming, so I'm gonna get close so y'all can see. Got little peppers coming on different ones, habanero peppers, got some bell peppers, but not doing a lot of peppers like I did last year. Over here is some of my zucchini, and like I told y'all before, we got zucchini coming. I can't really cross over here like that, but let me see, I can zoom in so you can see this plant. See, got zucchini coming on there, because I got to get all these up. Before we go down that end, let me just go ahead and go over here, because I'm excited about this. I got beans, we got beans, beans, here they go. So these are my red swan beans. So yeah, they are growing very, very good. Right here is my golden wax beans, and look, beans, 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 lots of beans, beans. All right, which I gotta drop more seeds for beans, because I want to grow a whole bunch of beans. The weather is pretty much doing what it's supposed to do now, so things can start growing. I really got to get a trellis on here. Y'all would see what I'm doing with the trellis, but yeah, they reaching up and everything. So yeah, this one is doing good. This, I think, is my yard bean. Let me see, come around here. This is my Chinese red noodle bean plant, and this is my Taiwan long bean. Still got potatoes in here, but I haven't put nothing else in these. So those of you that's like, well, are you growing food? Yes, I'm growing food. Stop by the channel and you will see. This is my spaghetti squash that I started from seeds, and look, from the last time, everything is growing like so good. Now remember, spaghetti squash is a vinely plant. So yeah, so all these I grew from seed, and I told y'all, I feel like when I grow from seed, my stuff looks so much better. It does so much better. So see, I'm gonna do a spider web right there. All right, so right here is these are some squashes. Okay, got squashes all right here. See, they're getting bigger and bigger, bigger and bigger. And then these are my cabbages and stuff that I was trying to do. So today I did come out and set up the sprinkler because it was 88 degrees today. Getting too hot to be out here trying to water, so I will be cutting on the sprinklers throughout the day to keep everything watered. Right here is all my eggplant. As y'all can see, my eggplants is doing very, very good. They was tiny. So, yeah, these are all different types of eggplants. So, and like this area right here gonna be all full of buckets with stuff in it. I got spaces and stuff back here that I gotta fill. So, we know right now that this is a cucumber. This was an unknown plant. I know for sure this is a cucumber. Just by looking at it, I can tell it is. But this is my whole little cucumber area this year. I got more cucumbers that's going to be getting planted that's in the greenhouse. But look, ain't that so pretty? Cucumber, we're going to have a lot of cucumbers, and I can eat cucumbers. I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to preserve my cucumbers and a couple more different things. I'm going to show y'all so much, y'all, but I got to wait for everything to start, you know, start going and stuff. Look at that. All these cucumbers. Some I bought, some I started from seed. Everybody's doing really good. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see. As for anybody that's watching this, you know, I do a lot on this channel. Homesteading, we got chickens and we got quail that we just started this year. I just got my quail on this past Friday. So I had been saying I was getting quail since January. I couldn't find them, so yeah. So I got chickens early January, and we doing it. So all these right here is all empty except for my Swiss charts. It's gonna be time to harvest some Swiss charts. They are coming together. My greens right there, I haven't too long watered them, so some is slumped down, but they'll be just fine. They'll perk up. Over here is just some of the berry plants for some of the fruit. Let's see, around here is a grape tree that I had got discounted earlier this year, and so she's doing good. My pomegranate tree, that was my lemon tree I bought in. I told y'all I'm just waiting to see what she gonna do. This is a tangerine bush, tangerine tree. My blackberry bushes has a lot of blackberries on them. Blackberries everywhere. That's another one right there. Raspberry. So let me get a little closer, y'all can see, because I realized you couldn't really see that. But it's just, they just all over this. So our weather was going back and forth, so some things was like, yeah, do we grow? Do we not? Do we grow? But I think they're getting the point. All these are blueberry bushes right here. These, I think I told y'all, is my raspberry bushes. This is a lot of just grass. I gotta take that out. That's like weeds and grass that's growing in that bucket. My watermelons, look y'all, watermelon plants are doing so good. These right here I did from seed, and the last time you seen them, it didn't look like this, did it? Flowers everywhere. So I got to start trellising this baby up. All these back here I did from seeds that's on this back row, and these are cantaloupes. Look at this. Ain't that so pretty? Yes, that's gonna be so pretty. So yeah, that's what's going on right there. And then over here is where I got the chicken stuff at. May take some of these tomatoes and put over there. But yeah, they got tomatoes growing. They got tomatoes growing. And I got their little lettuce and stuff in here. Little stuff I'll be giving them. Those some more tomato plants there. My girls is doing good. So yeah, let me take y'all up to, make sure I didn't miss none this time. Well, I can take you right here to my greenhouse that was gifted by Miss J Stewart. Thank you, honey. So in here I got a lot of stuff that is coming up, as y'all can see. So I'll be planning that stuff out once they come up some. So let's go to the top deck. Oh, I don't know if I showed you over here. This is hubby's peppers. He got some peppers going, habanero and stuff. This is my golden potatoes in there. And the apple tree is doing good.
Up here on the deck, this is my my peach tree. Still got big peaches coming, y'all can see. So it is doing good, doing this thing. I got strawberries still right there. This is my pear tree. These are some patio cucumbers I got. Look, they doing good. My olive tree, my Meyer lemon patio tree. This is my lemon variegated tree. My other fig tree. This is my big fig tree. She been doing well. My strawberries, some more strawberries. Some more patio cucumbers, lettuce and stuff. My plum tree. More strawberries right there. Ain't that pretty? So yeah, I got a lot that I gotta do. I got my rosa bushes. I got rosa bushes in the garage. I mean, not the garage, in the front yard. So yeah. So y'all, make sure y'all grow y'all own food. Do what you gotta do for you and your family, because starvation is here. People is starving like crazy, okay? So like I said, y'all, starvation is here. So I wanted to show y'all again my little quail. And then I'll go inside and I'll show y'all the incubator. But these are the quails I'm starting with. They get so excited. They get so excited. So these are going to be processed, okay? Well, yeah, some of these will be processed. This is how I'm starting off. I'm hatching some, and then we'll go from there. But I want to have my breeders, my egg, the ones I have for eggs, and then process probably a lot of the males. That'll help with food and stuff, because you know, quail is more nutritious than your chickens, and you can keep them inside, and people ain't gotta know that you got quail. You can keep them in apartments and stuff like that. The only thing is they stink and you have to change it. But I will say, I cleaned this yesterday and I put barn lime in here, and I don't smell nothing. I don't smell, you know, no ammonia smell or none of that. So I'll let y'all know what it looks like, what it smells like tomorrow, if it's God's will. But these are my quail. I have 7 of them. And they turned 5 weeks old yesterday. So anytime they can start laying eggs now. Very, very quick. Very, you know, very, very quick. Okay, y'all. So this is my incubator with my eggs in. It's 60 eggs in here. And it is time for me to actually turn them. So I'm about to do that. And this is what I just do. I just slightly, gently turn them. So hopefully by May 17th, I should start getting some to hatch. Hopefully. I don't have a turner in this, so turning them myself. Trying to make sure every one of them get turned. Yeah. And then I'll put my lid back on. And let that climb back up to where it needs to be. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below, because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.